Alright, so we're gonna revive the Rally XP. It's all tore down, never flew right. I got an A2212 2200 kV motor we're gonna put on it this time. And that's the wing up there on that foam fuselage, the green wing. So I still have the original wing. That's the original Rally XP wing. I'm going to pull this ugly covering off and recover it and remount my tail surfaces. They don't give you much room for any type of hinge. Look how thin that is. So I'm probably going to tape the control surfaces on this time. And I'm going to redo the push rods just because they didn't really bind up, but I can't remember what the reason was. That didn't have very good movement, so I'll probably redo those and remount servos. Make another hatch. I think my decent sized 2-cell battery will fit in here, so I'm gonna do a lot of things different than I did the first time around and the second time around, and see if we can't make it actually fly. Well, there it is, all peeled off. It's pretty beat up. Now it's time to pick a color and recover it. Alright, well, we got the motor on it. New ESC. 2 spaced out servos, a little different than I had last time. You got the micro receiver in there, and I went with blue just because that's what I had. I did new tail feathers out of balsa wood, and they are taped on, and they work just fine that way. The original tail feathers are a lot skinnier and smaller than this, so this ought to help with control big time, I think. It also had a split elevator with a skinny rudder, which I eliminated, and now it's a solid elevator with a thicker rudder, much wider rudder, so it should have better control. So I'm going to call it the Franken Rally since it's 3 different colors. Well, let's see, 1, 2, 3, yeah. 4 if we count the hatch. So this is the original hatch I found. So we're going to call it the Franken Rally. It is ready to go, and as soon as I get out to the flying field, I will fly it and we'll video it and let you know how it goes. And there's the wing sitting there. The Rally XP lives again. Hey, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and keep your eye out for that flight video.